Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to listen music together on Spotify. So get back to your screen and go ahead to your App Store or Google Play. And what I'm going to do basically, and I'll always remind you of that, to double check if the Spotify app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. And if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just open up the Spotify app and I'm going to choose the music or the song that I want by clicking the search right here. Or if you want to go ahead to your library and you have liked songs, just go ahead and add the song that you want on your on your playlist, right? So basically, what's gonna happen, you're gonna just open up the song or the thing that you want to listen, and you will need to go ahead and click the three dots at the top right. So basically, if you are using if you are using a kind of a premium version of the Spotify, you'll be able to see an option called Start Remote Group Session, right? But since I don't have that premium thing or the premium version of it, you'll be able to just go ahead right here, close this window, and just click right here the device, and basically select another device by inviting friends to your to your group session, and you'll be able to you will give a various sharing option. So though through a different applications such as Messenger, WhatsApp, Twitter, or something like that. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.